All you need to get paint off of your wooden laminate floors is a little bit of nail polish remover or 100% acetone. Go ahead and dump it right on top of your paint or onto a washcloth and just start buffing it in. You can start slow, use a little bit of acetone, or like you'll see here, I just went ahead and dump it right on the spot and wipe it right up. That takes it off a lot faster, but you don't have to worry about it damaging your laminate floors or stripping it. It's not going to do that. Works really well, gets all the paint up and doesn't hurt your laminate floors. Go ahead and wipe it up, mop it up later to make sure that you are getting all that acetone up, especially if you have animals or little kids that are crawling around on the floors. Make sure you're getting all that residue up, and it is as easy as that. You can see how easy this paint comes right up with that nail polish remover.